It's finally fall. We have passed the equinox and we are ready to start our fall gardens. And here in Central Texas and many other places, fall and winter is tree planting season. So we're going to start talking about native fruit trees. So that's going to be our first step. What fruit trees should we grow in our food forest? Now, that's a question that's going to depend on a lot of things. Where do you live? First, I would want to know, are there any, and there usually are many, different native fruit trees that grow in your area? You can plant those natives, and they really help the wildlife in your area because they evolved eating those kind of plants. So those are wonderful, but in addition to that, you can plant more cultivated versions that probably maybe taste better or bigger. They're bred to be more palatable for humans. So I have some plum trees that are not native to this area, but because plums are native, I know that plums are going to do well. So I have here, that I pruned in another video, my Santa Rosa plum tree. And up in the front garden, I have a weeping Santa Rosa plum tree whose branches are going to come up and over. And of course, fruit trees are going to be covered in flowers. They're going to bring pollinators. They just add so much beauty and other things to your garden. And they're going to be something that lasts for a really long time. Now, I know it's going to take a little bit of time for you to get that fruit from the tree. It might even take years. But why wait? Let's plant our garden this fall and start getting a return that just grows. So if you want to invest in your future food that's going to taste better, be healthier, grown locally, doesn't have to travel, doesn't need to be sprayed with a bunch of chemicals, that you can just pick off the tree and eat it and get the most nutritious and most fresh fruit you could possibly get. We have people already from all over the world building their food forests and sharing with each other about our climates and all of our situations. There's so much knowledge in this community. So now there's going to be online classes and other things that I'm developing. So you have an instructor who would be me. And in addition to that, you can learn from all of the community members over at Skool. So please join the food forest revolution by clicking right down here. And I hope to see you in the community soon. Thanks.